Hi guys, my name's Teresa, and my project for today is I'm going to do a table for my front porch. I got the base. That is beautiful. It's totally beautiful. At Habitat before they closed down. And I got this next to the road for free. And I'm going to make a table for my porch, and I'm going to sand this down. I'm going to poly it, and then I'm going to attach it to the base and clean the base up, and we'll see how it looks. guys, so I'm done with it. I think it turned out really good. I think I paid $15 for the base and Habitat when they were open. Hopefully they're going to be open again soon. The top got for free by the road. I didn't really have to cut or do anything to the top of it because the top of it, when they cut them out so well that I really didn't have to do anything. I didn't need it perfect. I love it. I post every Monday at 10 a.m. Be sure and like and subscribe. Thank you. I post every Monday at 10 a.m. So if you like my videos, go to YouTube and check them out. Thanks.
That's where they are.